Dear students of class 5th, chapter 5th, exercise 6, question number 1, add. Simply we have to add these given parts. In this question first, there are 6 parts. So part B, E and F I am going to solve here. Remaining 3 parts you will solve by yourself. In these questions, simply we have to add these given fractions. So how to add the given fractions? There are 2-3 ways or different type of ways. So simply first of all we will take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of the denominators is 3 4 12, it will be 60. Now 60 divided by 3, this is 20, 22 the 40 plus 60 divided by 4, 15, 15 3 ja 45 plus 12, 12 4 ja 48. Now add them. 8 5 13, 3 carry 1, 12 and 1 13. This is 133 upon 60. Now this is in improper form, or this is an improper fraction. So this improper fraction will be converted into mixed fraction. 62 ja 120 and 13 is remainder. So 2 whole 13 upon 60. This will be the answer of this question. Similarly, part E, in this question these fractions are given there in mixed form. So first of all, convert these mixed fraction into improper fractions. So you already know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper. Simply multiply the whole number part by the denominator and add the numerator. 3 1 ja 3 into 5. So this will be 5 upon 3 plus 5 1 ja 5 and 4, 9 upon 3. LCM 9 upon 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Divide 15 by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25 plus 5 3 ja 15, 3 9 ja 27. 25 plus 27 will be 52 upon 15. Now this is also in improper form. Now convert this in improper fraction into mixed fraction. So it will be written as 15 3 ja 45. Subtract 45 from 52. This will be 7 upon 15. Now answer will be 3 whole 7 upon 15. This is the answer of part E. Part B, this is the answer. Part E, this is the answer. Now part F, these 3 fractions are given there. We have to simply add them. First of all, our first step is to be taken that convert these mixed fractions into improper form. Simply 3 2 ja 6 into 8. 8 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9 plus 4 1 ja 4 and 1 5 upon 4. Now these fractions we have to convert it into improper form. Now take the LCM of denominators 3 9 and 4. It will be 36. 3 12 ja 36, 12 8 ja 96 plus 9 4 ja 4 5 ja 20 plus 4 9 ja 36 and 9 5 ja 45 equal to, add them. 5 0 6 11 carry 1, 4 2 6 15 and 1 16. This is 161 upon 36. Now this is also in improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So simply 161 divided by 36. Simply you can divide another rough work. 36 4 ja 144 I hope. 4 6 ja 24 carry 1 2 4 3 ja 12 and 2 14 144. Subtract this is 111 upon 4 7. This is 17, means 4 whole 17 upon 36. This is the rough work you can do in other page. This is 4 whole 17 upon 36. So this is the answer of question number 1 part F. All these parts will be written in your notebook. Remaining part A, B and C will be solved by yourself. Now start the next question. Now question number 2. This is Rohit has the red ribbon of length 4 whole 1/5 meter and a green ribbon of length 3 whole 1/2 meter. What is the total length of the two ribbons? Simply in this question we have to find out the total length of the two ribbons. The red ribbon length is 4 whole 1/5 meter and the green ribbon's length is 3 whole 1/2 meter. So what is the total length simply? So in order to find out the total length, simply we add the length of these two ribbons and we will get the total length of the ribbons. So total length equal to 4 whole 1/5 meter plus 3 whole 1/2 meter, means both the units are in meter. Simply convert these mixed fraction into improper form. 5 4 is 20 and 1 21/5 plus 3 2 is 6 and 1 7/2. LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10 there. 5 2 ja and 2 21 ja 42 plus 2 5 ja and 7 5 ja 35. Add them. 5 and 2 7, 4 and 3 7/10. Now divide 77 by 10. This will be 7 whole 7/10 meter. This is the total length of these two ribbons. Simply whatever we have to do in this question is the length of red ribbon is this, length of green ribbon is this. Find out the total length of the both ribbons. Simply add the length of these two ribbons. Simply convert these convert these mixed fractions into improper form and then simply add taking the LCM of the denominators, and this will be the total length of the ribbon. Now question number 3. Third question is Nidhi bought 4 whole 5/6 meter cloth and Sweta bought 2 whole 1/4 meter cloth. Find the total length of the cloth bought by these two girls or women. In this question asks about the total length of the cloth bought by these two girls. So simply in order to find out the total length of the cloth, we have to add the separate length of the cloths. These two fractions are there, both are in mixed form. So first of all we will convert these mixed form into improper form and then add them. If you want, you can add these fractions without converting into mixed form. Later on we will discuss over that topic. Now convert these mixed fraction into improper. 6 4 is 24 and 5 29/6 plus 4 2 is 8 and 1 9/4. Take the LCM of these two numbers will be 12. 6 2 is 12, 2 29 is 58 plus 4 3 is 3 9 is 27. Now add them. 8 and 7 15, carry 1, 5 and 2 7 and 1 8/12. This is 85/12. This is also in mixed improper form. So now convert this improper form into mixed form. So this will be 12 7 is 84, 1 is remainder upon 12 meter. So this will be the answer of this question. This will be the answer of this question, 7 whole 1/12 meter. Now if you want to add these numbers, these fractions, without converting into improper form from the mixed fraction, you can follow the other method. That is, this is 4 whole 5/6 plus 2 whole 1/4. First of all you will add the whole number part. This is 4 and 2. This will be 4 plus 2 and plus this will be 5/6 plus 1/4. This will be 6 plus, now add them taking the LCM. 10 plus 3 and 6 plus 13/12. Then this will be 16. 12 6 is 72 and 13 will be 85/12. 12, then convert into mixed form. So out of these two methods you can follow any one method. This will be the solution of your question number 3, that is 7 whole 1 upon 12. What is the question? There are two girls bought the cloth, this by 1 and this by 1. Question is find out the total length of the cloth. Simply add these separate lengths and we will add the 85 upon 12. Convert this improper into mixed fraction, then 7 whole 1 upon 12 will be the answer there. Now question number 4. This is Amit covered 4 whole 5 upon 9 kilometer by bus, 2 whole 3 upon 7 kilometer by rickshaw, and 1 upon 3 kilometer on foot. What is the total distance covered by him? In this question, we have to find out the total distance covered by Amit. Amit covered this distance by bus, rickshaw, and on foot. So simply, in order to find out the total distance, we will add this separated distance. Distance covered by bus is this, distance covered by a rickshaw is this, distance covered on foot is this. In order to find out the total distance covered by him, simply add these fractions. So this will be total distance. Total distance equal to this plus this plus this, means 4 whole 5 upon 9 plus 2 whole 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. There will be 9 4 ja 36 and 5 41 upon 9 plus 7 2 ja 14 and 3 17 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. First of all, we will take the LCM of the denominators. 7 9 ja 63 will be the LCM there. So now the LCM is 63. 63 divided by 9. 7 9 ja 63. Then 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. 287 plus 7 9 ja 63. Then 9 17 ja 17 9 ja 153 plus 21 3 ja 63 and 21 1 ja 21. Now this is 287 plus 153 plus 21. Now add them. So it will be equal to 1 and 3 4 and 7 11, carry 1 2 5 7 and 8 15 and 1 16, carry 1 1 and 2 3 and 1 4 upon 63. This is the answer, but this answer is in mixed improper form. So convert this improper form into mixed form. 461 will be divided by 63. 4 6 6 4 24 and 7, guess by which number it is divided. So it will be divided perhaps 7 times. 7 3 ja 21, carry 2, 7 6 ja 42 and 2 44, 0 2 20, means 7 whole 20 upon 63. So this will be 7 whole 20 upon 63 kilometer. This is the total distance covered by Amit by different mode of transport or vehicles. This is the solution of question number 4. What about the question number 4? Amit covered this distance by bus, this distance by rickshaw, and this distance on foot. So we have to find out the total distance covered by Amit. First of all, write the distance covered by different vehicles. This is bus, rickshaw, on foot. Then total distance will be this plus this plus this, and simply add them. Then this will be the answer there. So this exercise 6 is completed. Only one question is left, that is question number 5. This 5th question you have to solve by yourself. So now your exercise is completed. Complete this exercise today. Thank you, students. And one more thing, if this video is helpful to you, so press the like button, otherwise press the unlike button.